And the cool thing is, it's design thinking not only works with the customers, it also works with employees. Okay, because
it can be faced outwards and inwards.
Because a lot of we call it in German Fachkräftemangel.
Yeah,
it's a nice German word.
Yeah.
Fachkräftemangel.
Yeah.
So I think in English it's like a lack of experienced workers. Yeah, actually at the end of the day. And yes, especially in Austria, there are a lot of companies, some in the countryside, who are still producing something. You have no chance to work online. I cannot produce some goods online. Doesn't work. And still the question is, yes, I need to get people to go there to work. And still question is how to become an attractive employer to get people and to hold the existing
people. To create a win-win situation.
Create a win-win situation. Okay, and yes, of course, there is a kind of safety and salary and blah, 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 blah. But at the end of the day, if you look at the employees, and again, there's also different types of, they have to go there by car, they have no time to do shopping, they have no time to do the service for the car, they have no time to change the winter tires, they have no time to go to the laundry, they have no time or no place to deliver the Amazon or delivery packages. So yes, there are some needs of the employees who on first glance has nothing to do with the organization as such. This is just daily life issues. Okay, perfect. Why not combine and have a mobile car service twice a year? A monthly, I repair your bike, bring your bikes and get it repaired and freshed up.
Yeah.
Things like that. Yes, you can deliver your Amazon packages and our guy at is going to collect them.